In this question, we have to identify that phenol can be distinguished from aliphatic alcohol by. So phenol molecule on reacting with FeCl3 form a complex. So FeOC6H5 whole 6 3 positive complex is formed along with formation of 3H positive plus 3HCl. Now this complex is having violet color. So violet color complex is formed with FeCl3 on reacting with phenol. While if alcohol is reacted with FeCl3, there is no reaction. So phenol and aliphatic alcohol can be differentiated by using FeCl3, and hence correct answer is C. In this question, we have to identify when sodium phenoxide is heated with CO2 under process followed by acidification with HCl, the final product obtained is. So if phenoxide ion is treated with CO2, now CO2 molecule will act as electrophile and phenoxide ion will act as nucleophile. So nucleophile donate pair of electron. So pair of electrons. So carboxylate anion is formed. So this molecule will be converted to C double bond O negative. Now this molecule is further tautomerized to give phenol. So phenol. Now this ion is formed. On further acidification, it will be converted to acid. So salicylic acid is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to identify how salol is prepared. So actually salol is phenyl salicylate, and phenyl salicylate is prepared when salicylic acid is treated with phenol. Now phenol under acidic condition, it will form ester. Now this ester is called phenyl salicylate, which is commonly known as salol, which is having antiseptic property, so used as internal antiseptic. Along with antiseptic, salol is also used for manufacturing of various type of polymers, adhesive, waxes and polishes, and hence correct answer is A, salicylic acid and phenol. In this question, we have to identify final product C in following sequence of reaction. So phenol on treating with NaOH converted to phenoxide ion first. Now this phenoxide ion will act as nucleophile for carbon dioxide. Now this phenoxide ion is nucleophile and carbon dioxide act as electrophile. So as electrons are transferred, it will get converted to C double bond O, O negative. Now it will tautomerize to get again phenolic group. So phenyl salicylate ion is formed. Now treating this anion with HCl will get salicylic acid, and hence correct answer is B. Salicylic acid is formed as ultimate product. In this question, we have to identify end product of the reaction Y and Z. Now first of all, phenol is treated with chloroform and KOH. In presence of chloroform and KOH, now the product will be salicylaldehyde. Now the reaction is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Now this molecule is not having any alpha hydrogen, so on treating with 50% KOH, Cannizzaro reaction takes place and one of the aldehyde will be converted into acid and one will be converted into alcohol. So OH is formed as a product. Now since medium is basic and in basic medium this acid will be converted to its salt, so final products are salt of acid and one molecule of alcohol are the final product, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following reaction does not form salicylic acid. So in option A, when orthocresol, now this molecule is orthocresol, and orthocresol on treating with KMNO4 gets converted to salicylic acid. So OH and COOH is formed as a product. Now in second reaction is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, phenol is treated with chloroform and KOH, so salicylaldehyde is formed as a final product. So in this case salicylic acid is not formed, while in other cases when phenol is treated with carbon tetrachloride along with reaction with aqueous KOH, final product is again salicylic acid. In Kolbe-Schmitt reaction, phenol is treated first with NaOH followed by carbon dioxide, so salicylic acid is formed as a final product. So correct answer is B. In this question, paraxylene is first treated with H2SO4. So paraxylene on treating with H2SO4, since CH3 is orthoparadirecting, so SO3H group will be attached at ortho position of SO3H group. Now treating this molecule with NaOH at high temperature, SO3H will be removed and it will convert it to alcohol or phenol, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So when phenol is treated with chloroform and KOH, salicylaldehyde is formed as a product and reaction is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, first of all, chloroform and KOH will react with each other to form dichlorocarbene, and along with KCl and water is formed. Now this dichlorocarbene will act as electrophile. Phenol under basic condition converted to phenoxide ion. Now phenoxide ion will act as nucleophile and dichlorocarbene will act as electrophile. Now nucleophile donate pair of electron. CCl2 is neutral species. It will accept pair of electron and form anion, and now this oxygen will neutralize and this is formed as intermediate. Now this intermediate will tautomerize to give again phenol. Now this CCl2 negative ion will take abstract H positive ion from water to form CHCl2. Now this molecule will react with KOH because basic medium is present to form CHOH whole twice. Now two OH on same carbon are unstable due to lone pair repulsion, so water molecule is released and it will finally convert it to salicylaldehyde. Aldehyde is formed, so salicylaldehyde is the final product and correct answer is D. In this molecule catechol is taken. Now this molecule on reacting with chloroform and KOH, Riemann-Tiemann reaction takes place and formylation takes place. CHO group is added at para position. Now under basic medium, in presence of NaOH, it will be converted to phenoxide ion. So dianion is formed. Now this dianion, on reacting with CH2I2, a nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place, and after nucleophilic reaction this will be converted to this molecule. So this is the final product, and hence correct answer is C. In this reaction, paracresol is treated with chloroform and KOH. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction takes place, and after formylation it will be converted to CH3. CHO is attached at ortho position of OH group, since OH is having plus M effect and it is ortho para-directing. Now this molecule is also stabilized by hydrogen bond formed between OH and CHO, and now OH and CH3 both are ortho para-directing, but OH is more electron donating group, so CHO is attached to ortho position of OH group, and hence correct answer is A. So this molecule is formed as a final product. In this question we have to identify which of the following compound will respond to Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So phenol, on reacting with chloroform and KOH, will form salicylaldehyde. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction takes place and salicylaldehyde is formed as a product. Now along with ortho, para product is also formed, but due to formation of hydrogen bond, ortho product is major. Now if benzyl alcohol is taken, benzyl alcohol will not react with chloroform and KOH, so no reaction takes place. And if in pyrrole react with chloroform and KOH, in this case abnormal Riemann-Tiemann reaction takes place, and after abnormal Riemann-Tiemann reaction these two products are formed, but this reaction is called abnormal Riemann-Tiemann reaction. If aniline is treated with chloroform and KOH, in option D, if aniline is treated with chloroform and KOH, these two will react to form isocyanide. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction is only when phenol is treated with chloroform and KOH. Rest reactions are not called Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find when phenol is treated with chloroform and NaOH followed by acidification, then salicylaldehyde is obtained. Now which of the following species is not involved in above mentioned reaction as intermediate? So first of all, chloroform and KOH react to form dichlorocarbene. Now this dichlorocarbene act as electrophile. Phenol in basic medium gets converted to phenoxide ion. Now this phenoxide ion act as nucleophile and dichlorocarbene act as electrophile. So after reaction, now this anion is formed. Since CCl2 is accepting pair of electron, so this anion is formed. Now this anion, now this molecule will tautomerize to give phenol. So OH and CCl2 negative is formed. Now this anion will abstract hydrogen to form phenoxide ion. So it will further convert it to phenoxide ion, O negative, CH, Cl2. Now this molecule will further react with KOH to form phenoxide ion and CH, Cl, OH. In aqueous medium, phenoxide ion will again converted to phenol, and Cl and OH are attached on same carbon. Now Cl and OH on same carbon will be unstable and it will remove HCl molecule, so salicylaldehyde will form as a product. Now if we compare, intermediate A is not formed during any of the step, while B, now this molecule is formed, this molecule is formed during the reaction, molecule of OH having CHCl2. Now this molecule is also formed, this is also formed, so A is not formed during the reaction, and hence correct statement is A. In this reaction, phenol is treated first with chloroform and KOH. So the electrophile in attacking reagent. So first of all, chloroform and KOH react. Now OH negative abstract hydrogen proton, on it will convert it to CCl2 negative. Now this Cl negative ion will removed and it will form dichlorocarbene, which act as electrophile. Now this electrophile will combine with phenoxide ion to form salicylaldehyde as a final product. CHCl2 is formed, and finally after hydrolysis salicylaldehyde will formed as a final product, and hence electrophile is dichlorocarbene. So correct answer is C. In this question, orthocresol, now this molecule is orthocresol having both CH3 and OH group. When this molecule is treated with chloroform CHCl3 and KOH, chloroform in alkaline medium, now this molecule will convert it to CH3, OH, CHO. Now this molecule is having aldehyde group, so this molecule is A, which aids on hydrogen cyanide to form compound B. So this molecule on reacting with hydrogen cyanide converted to cyanohydrin, so it will be converted to CH3, OH, CH, OH, CN. Now this molecule is cyanohydrin, and cyanohydrin cyanide group on hydrolysis converted to acid. So after hydrolysis it will converted to CH3, now OH, CH, OH, COOH. Now this molecule is having chiral carbon, so the optically active carboxylic acid formed is this molecule, which is similar to molecule given in option B, and hence correct answer is. In this question, we have to identify when phenol is treated with chloroform in presence of aqueous KOH, what product is obtained. So phenol on reacting with chloroform and KOH will form salicylaldehyde. Now this molecule is salicylaldehyde, and this reaction is called Reamer-Tiemann reaction, and hence correct answer is A. In this reaction, we have to identify product obtained after Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol is treated with chloroform and KOH, so that salicylaldehyde is formed as a final product. Now in this reaction, chloroform first react with KOH Now chloroform is having acidic hydrogen, so on reacting with KOH, it will convert it to CCl3 negative anion along with KCl salt is formed. Now this molecule will remove Cl negative to form dichlorocarbene. Now this dichlorocarbene is having 6 electron in its outermost shell, hence it will act as electrophile. So carbene intermediate act as electrophile, and hence correct answer is